today we're going to talk about types of triangles. There are 3 types of triangles. They each have a name based on the length of their sides, and they also have a name based on the size of the angles. The angle is what makes up the inside measurement of a triangle. As you know, triangles have 3 sides. They are a closed shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. The first type of triangle is called an equilateral triangle. It's called equilateral because the first part of the word has the word equal in it. Equal means 3 sides are the same. If we measured this first triangle, each side would be measuring of the same length, and the inside measuring from one side to the other of this angle would be 60 degrees. Our second type of triangle is called an isosceles triangle. This triangle has 2 sides that are the same length, or 2 equal sides. So this side is the same length as this side. The bottom or the base of the triangle is not the same. Therefore, only 2 angles are equal. Another way I remember that is at the beginning of isosceles, there are 2 S's very close to the beginning. Those 2 S's remind me that an isosceles triangle has 2 sides the same length. Our third type of triangle is called a scalene triangle. If we look at this triangle, we can tell that no sides are the same length. Each side is different. Triangles can also be described or named by the type of angle that they have. Triangles can have names that tell you the type of angle that is measured on the inside. An acute triangle is an angle that measurement is less than 90 degrees. So if we took our protractor and measured that, it would be less than 90 degrees. A cute little triangle means it's small, less than 90 degrees. A right triangle is a triangle that one of the angles is a right angle, which measures exactly 90 degrees. It could be any of the sides, but one is measured at 90. And you can see there's a little square in the box right at that angle. That is another clue that will tell you it's 90 degrees. The third type of triangle is called an obtuse triangle. Now remember, a small one is called acute. Obtuse means larger. So if I measured from here to here, it would be more than 90 degrees. And we can tell even by looking that this angle right here is larger than this angle and even the 90-degree angle. A triangle can have a combination of these 2 types. This triangle is a right isosceles triangle. It means that it is made up of a right angle, remember the little box, and 2 sides that are exactly the same length. Now, pause the video, get out your journal, and answer question 1. Remember to write the date, and if you wish to write the problem or the question in your journal, that would be helpful. Question 1. What type of triangle is this? An equilateral triangle? A right angle? An obtuse triangle? This isn't a triangle at all. Here's another page that talks a little bit about a right-angled triangle with a reminder about the square in the corner. I did write 90 degrees, but you don't need to. Anytime you see this little square in the corner, that means it's a right-angle triangle. Now, push pause on the video again if you need to, and review these last 4 questions. Put them on the same page as question 1 in your journal and answer them. Question 1. Triangles can have different lengths of their sides. A, true, B, false, C, don't know, or D, maybe. Question 3. This particular triangle that you see, is it a right triangle, a right isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, or D, you don't know? Question 4. Based on the triangles in the text, what could be Mrs. Perry's favorite color? A, blue, B, green, C, purple, or D, you don't know? And question 5. What type of triangle is this? An equilateral triangle? An obtuse triangle? C, you don't know? Or D, it's a cute triangle? If you need to watch the movie again to help you answer these questions, please do so. Thank you.